All right, welcome to Gaming Lettuce Tomato. Today we'll be going over the RodeLink wireless audio system filmmaker. So what exactly is that? It is a wireless system. I have the transmitter here and the receiver attached to the Canon 5Ti, and we'll be testing that. And as you can see, it's on a lav, but also we'll be using a low-cost boom mic, which will have the link and more information down below to see the differences, but also we'll be using the default internal mic on that Canon DSLR. So I like to run some lines. So this is our first test. This is the RodeLink, and I will provide some wisdom today. This is what Confucius says: man who not poop for many days must take care of backlog. Man who run in front of car get tired. Man who run behind car get exhausted. War not determine who is right. War determine who is left. And man who drive like hell bound to get there. So as you can see, these great words of wisdom, as you can hear how the audio quality sounds. So now we're going to switch over to the other mic. So here's the Takstar with no boost and straightforward for the boom mic. So here's some additional words of wisdom from our buddy Confucius. I don't even think it's actually from Confucius, but it totally kind of makes sense, right? Man who jump off cliff, jump to conclusion. He who thinks only of number one must remember this number is next to nothing. Man who drop watch in toilet have shitty time. Man who eat many prunes get good run for money. And oh, this is a bad one. So, should I say a bad one? Yeah. Okay. Virginity like bubble, one prick, all God. Marriage is like game of poker. You start with pair and end with full house. And one more. Man who stand on toilet high on pot. There you go. So that's the Takstar. Okay. So this is the T5i, or the AKA 700D of the Canon, and this is just the internal mic. So here's some additional words of wisdom from our buddy Confucius, totally made up. Man who read women like book prefer braille. He who let women on top is fucking up. Whoa, that was a bad one. Man with hard problem usually give it to women. Wow, this is a bad one. Which one's these ones? Let's see. Man with one chopstick go hungry. Let's see. If you turn an Oriental around, he becomes disoriented. Wow, that's so bad.
Wow.
Let's see. He who thinks by the inch and talks by the yard deserves to be kicked by the foot. Let's see. Women who come to bed wearing nothing but running shoes wants to have marathon session. Okay, let's see. So that is the internal mic of the Canon T5i.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this is the internal mic for the Canon T5i. So we're at 5 feet right now. 10 feet. You're at 20 feet. Now we're maxed out at 25 feet. So, okay. So this is the Takstar on the T5i, Canon T5i. And we're doing as you can see, a test outside, out in the park here, with cars driving by. And we are currently at 5 feet. So I'm gonna start moving back. As you can see, we can see how well that this actually picks up. So now I'm at 10 feet. And this is 15 feet. 15 feet. 15 feet if you can't hear me. We're at 20 feet. That's 20 feet. And 25 feet. So we're maxed out at 25 feet. Okay. So this is the RodeLink wireless receiver and transmitter attached to the Canon T5i. And again, we're outside, same area, and I am currently at 5 feet. Now we are at 10 feet. Now I'm at 15 feet. Now we are at 20 feet. And here we are at 25 feet. And let me try something different. In theory, we should be able to continue to receive audio all the way back. And I'm probably at around 50 feet right now. Okay, I'm gonna run a little further back. I hope you can still hear me, still receive the audio. Lee, just give me a thumbs up if it's still picking up. It's still picking up the audio? Yes, yes, all right. Let's see how we're at. We're probably at 100 feet right now. Probably like, I don't know, 200. How are we doing? How are we doing? Maybe I should play the playground. Let's do it. No, maybe not. Can you still hear me? Can you still see me? Whoa. Let's see. It's a little too wet here. No, maybe I shouldn't jump on that. So as you can see, the RodeLink picks up audio very, very nicely, even though I am so far away. It's great when you're outside and there's a lot of noise around, and you want to get a very clear audio. And another nice thing too is that there's no wires. You don't have to worry about the wires. So here it is. It is a little more expensive. A setup like this will cost you between $300 to $400, and the Takstar boom mic will only cost you $30. So you gotta weigh your differences. But if audio clarity is very important to you, definitely having a system like this will help you out.